Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle invigorates its segment with sporty proportions, generous equipment, and exceptional safety. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and ABS brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.